Hey guys, Michael Block here at Arroyo Trabuco Golf Club. Got some exciting news. Starting in May, we have a bunker renovation happening with the help of our course designer, Casey O'Callahan. And obviously we have Michael Wolpoff here, our course superintendent, who has absolutely changed this golf course over the last 5-6 years you've been here?
6 years, sir.
6 years. So a lot of exciting things, and we're here today to show you a couple of the changes here in the next couple months. Cheers. Here we are on hole 18, fairway bunker. I hit a pretty decent drive down the left side of the fairway, but it caught this fairway bunker. And now, as I'm pretty sure we have all had before, a huge lip in front of us. So we have to basically punch out to the side rather than, transferring a little bit closer to the green or even maybe going for the green. But Casey, what are we going to change here, buddy?
So part of the reshaping process is that we're going to massage these bunkers and try to create more playable conditions. And so conditions where a shot won't be overly penalized, that you can hit the appropriate club to get a long enough shot, either trying to reach the green or a decent enough layup down to the second landing area.
Beautiful. I'm excited for that one. For updates on our bunker renovation, check out our website, arroyotrabuco.com, and also our social media feeds on Facebook and Instagram. It's exciting times at Arroyo Trabuco Golf Club, and we appreciate your support.